Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the Dumbo RC transmitters. So let's get started. Let's see that's what we have here in the card box. There's a card here in not for lithium batteries. From Chinese, I don't understand. And this is the RC, Dumbo RC transmitters. So let's put it aside. This is the receiver, B6FG. Okay, so this is the 6-channel transmitter Dumbo RC. Pretty awesome. This is for battery. We don't have the battery yet, so maybe we need to purchase a new one. Okay, so thank you for watching the videos, and I think I will make some project with this RC transmitter in the future. Thank you very much.